Here's a video to show you how to change a spark plug in your Craftsman B2000 blower. It's really simple to do. All you're gonna need is a spark plug port like this one. You'll need the 5/8 inch side. If you don't have this, here's a socket wrench. You can use that as well. Again, 5/8 inch will do the job. If you need one of those, check out the link below. You also need a new spark plug for it. Again, check the link below. I got one right there for you. All you're gonna do is first remove the spark plug boot, just like that, and that'll show you your spark plug. You're gonna get that spark plug puller or the socket wrench right on there, and we're gonna turn it to the left, just like that. Pop that thing right out. There's your spark plug. You can see it's kind of worn. I'm gonna change this out and have this thing running like new. So I'm gonna take the new spark plug, I'm gonna put it right back in that spot there, turning it to the right. Get your wrench back on there. Give it one last turn to get it on there nice and tight. Then take the boot, put it right back on there. Like that, you'll hear that click and you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.